Welcome to StraightUpLearning.com. To print a document in Microsoft Word, you will navigate up to the File menu and on File and choose the Print option. The print screen will appear, and the first thing I just want to bring to your attention is to the right side of the screen. You'll notice that you'll have a preview of what your document's going to look like prior to it printing. Within the middle of this screen, here you have a number of print options. So for example, if I just want to go ahead and print this document, I can click on print and the document will print automatically. If I want to print a number of copies, I can click in this copies option right here and type in the number of copies I would like to print. I can also use these up and down arrows to increase my numbers or decrease the number of copies that I would like to print. Down beneath here, we have the designated printer for your document, which is usually your default printer, which will appear here. If you need to change that printer, you can click on the drop down arrow, and whatever printers you have set up to your computer would automatically appear here. We're going to click out of the screen for a moment. The printer properties beneath there will give you all the properties for that particular printer that you're connected to. The next option here is your settings option, which enables you to print the entire document, or you can click on that drop down arrow here and designate you only want to print the current page or even a custom range. We're going to click out of this screen for just a second so we can go back to our settings. Also underneath within settings, you have a box here for pages. This enables you to print a range of pages, which you can do so by entering the first page number, followed by a dash, and then the ending page number. So this will print the page range from pages 1 through 10. Let's say we wanted to print non-consecutive page numbers. Let's say we wanted to print 2, 5, and 7. From this box over here, we're going to delete 1 through 10. Now we're going to type in 2, followed by a comma, then 5, another comma, and 7. The comma allows you to print non-consecutive pages. Down beneath pages, you have the ability to print by default one-sided pages, or if you click on the drop down, you can actually manually print your document on both sides. This is pretty good on saving on paper. Also, it depends on the type of printer that you have if your printer allows you to print on both sides. We're going to click out of here for just a second so we can keep on looking at our options within printing. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. Here you have the ability to collate your print job, and once again, that depends on the printer that you're using. The next option is your portrait orientation, and if we click on that drop down, you have the ability to print landscape, which prints it sort of in a horizontal way, and portrait is more vertical. The next option here is your letter option, which is really your page size. And if we click here, we have the ability to print different page sizes. As you can see, you have the ability to print a tabloid, a legal size paper, and even what they call a small letter size paper, or even executive. For additional paper sizes, there is an option here for more paper sizes, and you can even choose to create your own custom page size as well. You also have the ability from your print screen to change your margins, and you also have the ability to print either one page per sheet, or you can print 2 pages per sheet, and this is also something that's good for editing, and it saves on time and also on your paper as well. So instead of printing 2 separate pages, I can actually take these 2 pages and print it onto one sheet. Please note the text will be considerably small because take into account you're having 2 pages printing on 1 page. And those are your print options for Microsoft Word. Thank you for attending. For additional courses, visit us at www.straightuplearning.com or contact us at 704-909-61